Welcome to Geometry. Today we are learning about converse theorems. Specifically, we will learn how to use angle relationships to prove that two lines are parallel. This is a crucial skill in geometry logic. First, let us understand the logic. In standard theorems, we start knowing lines are parallel, and we conclude that angles are equal. Converse theorems work in reverse. We start by observing angle relationships, and if they match specific rules, we can conclude that the lines must be parallel. Our first theorem is the converse of the corresponding angles postulate. It states that if two lines are cut by a transversal and the corresponding angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. Visually, you can look for an F shape. Next is the converse of the alternate interior angles theorem. If the alternate interior angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. These angles form a Z shape between the parallel lines. Theorem number 3 involves alternate exterior angles. These are the angles on the outside of the parallel lines on opposite sides of the transversal. If these are congruent, the lines are parallel. The fourth one is unique. For consecutive interior angles, also called same-side interior, the angles must be supplementary to prove lines parallel. This means they must add up to 180 degrees. Look for a C or U shape. Here is a quick summary. Remember these four relationships. Corresponding, alternate interior, and alternate exterior angles should be equal. Consecutive interior angles should add to 180 degrees. Let's try a practice problem. We need to find the value of x that ensures lines M and N are parallel. These are alternate interior angles, so they must be equal. We set 3x plus 10 equal to 70. Solving for x gives us 20. In this example, we are asked if lines A and B are parallel. We have consecutive interior angles of 115 degrees and 65 degrees. If we add them, they equal 180 degrees. Since they are supplementary, yes, the lines are parallel. To wrap up, remember that converse theorems are your tools for proving parallelism. Check for equal angles in the F and Z patterns or supplementary angles in the C pattern. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.